Welcome to Orange Services Training. The idea here is why not learn from the energy chain experts directly? We can't be everywhere at the same time, so igus Orange Services provides product training sessions for your team. Whether it be energy chain, chain flex, trough systems, floating tow arms, whatever your system composes of. We're able to give hands-on experience with full-size samples to make sure you're prepared to tackle the job. We also offer system design classes with the engineering staff so you're able to select the right products, match the right components with optimal performance levels. Classwork training is fine, but that's not really where the work happens. And believe me, we understand. igus Orange Services will work shoulder to shoulder with the maintenance team to make sure the classwork knowledge transfers into the shop. That applied knowledge is our goal. Your team will learn how to inspect, install igus products, learn common installation missteps, proper strain relief plans, recommended torque settings, everything they might need to know to keep the systems up and running as intended. We can do large or small group training over multiple days if needed, whatever your team needs to be successful. One of the sayings inside of Orange Services is, we're not successful unless your team is successful. So the classwork, shop time, we can even provide traveling trade shows. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten about our contractor network either. We educate contractors with the same best practices we provide for OEM manufacturers. If you see a lot of igus energy chain, we want to make sure you confirm the scope of work, materials needed in regard to those igus systems. We want to be able to deliver to you best practices and deliver a clean, on-time installation to your customer. If you need a checklist, yeah, we got those too. Once again, the transfer of knowledge here is the key. igus is a world leader in energy chain systems, and now we've developed a way to pass that knowledge to your office, manufacturing, and contracting staff. Once again, we are not successful unless the project is successful. It isn't enough just to provide the best materials at the lowest cost or the fastest delivery. We want to ensure that those systems run properly as intended for as long as possible. So if you have any questions, you can download our Orange Services brochure. You can reach out to us through the website. Let us know how Orange Services can help. Thanks.